Hey everybody, welcome back to Landshark Garage. We are suffering from empty nest syndrome. We have nothing in here to work on, so it's been about 3 years since we scrubbed our floor, so we're going to give it the old pressure washer. Mrs. Landshark is spreading around some super clean degreaser and some other chemicals that we got to try and get up some of the nasty. And then she's going to run the old BE pressure washer, and I'm going to use the squeegee because we're not real level this way. Everything likes to go that way, so we got to get it to go this way. So, and she's going to run from that way, and I'm going to push some with the, you just watch. Honey, squeegee cam. Who frickin' does burnouts in their own garage? I hope everybody does. Me and my little pressure washing princess. She made it look easy peasy. Pepper makes me sneezy. You know how many beers have bounced off of that corner? A lot better, but we got to get something in here to fill this up. An empty garage is a boring garage. I really need to go over and see if she screwed up my fridge. What the hell? No, she did. Fridge is dangerous. What should we have tonight? What's in here? Coca-Cola, Cayman Jacks, Bush Lattes. Let's have one of them. That'd be awesome. So we weren't really satisfied with last night's cleaning. So we got some of this goof off stuff and put it on the paint and used some oven cleaner on our really heavily soiled spots, like years worth of oil, and we're going to see what happens with that. We're already liking the goof off as far as this paint and stuff on the floor goes. We might have to do it a couple times just to get it to go, but that's using a brush. We made some of it just disappear, so that maroon piece right there, been on that floor for 4 or 5 years. Let's see what this stuff does. That's pretty impressive.
Did it work?
Yeah.